How to change Instagram's creator account categories. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change categories of your Instagram creator or a business account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now say that you have an account right on Instagram and then you just set it to a artist. Let's say a category was set to artist, but you're not really an artist and then you want to change to a musician or maybe a public figure or whatever else is convenient for you, you name it. So it is actually possible to change your categories of your creator account without having to switch to personal account and then switching back to creator account again. So that is the one way that most people suggest, but I'm not going to do that and show you that kind of way. So instead what I will do is I'll just go ahead and then open up Instagram, and then once we open up Instagram, just tap on the profile icon from the bottom right. Now if I show you my category, currently it is set to artist, as you can see at the very top over here. And if I want to change my categories, all I have to do is just tap on this little edit profile button over here. You can see as I tap on the edit profile option here, I'll be able to see all of my profile options here. All I have to do is right over here under page, you'll find the option called category that is currently set to artist. I'll just tap on it once. Now I can basically go ahead and choose another category that I want to add to, or maybe some other categories over here. If I want to display it on my profile, I could absolutely do that, but if I don't want, I could just turn off the toggle and then just tap on the check icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and again tap on the check button. And as you do that, you'll be able to notice that now it has been switched to digital creator. And this is basically it on how you can go ahead and change the categories of a creator account on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.